side. Okay, so hey y'all. I'm facing this way because it's a mirror right here. So yeah, I got two things of hair here. Okay, I got the good stuff and then the stuff from the hair store that's Remy. Okay, so you're gonna use this for your bun, but I also want to do, guys, a bang for you guys that I saw, so I wanted to do it. So you're gonna need, you don't need all this, but you know, enough for like the bang to sit. So just get some cheap stuff. I got these from IKEA. You can get these from anywhere. A brush, one of these like little hard brushes, and then like a paddle brush, looser. You can use a toothbrush or an edge brush. I like to use the edge brush. Bobby pins. Take a brush. Make up for you guys. You're gonna brush your hair. Oh, forgot. You're gonna need scrunchies, hair ties. I have two, but you can do what you want. Taking some gel. You do not need a lot of this, but you know, do what floats your boat. Take it about this much. Ooh. You're gonna place it on, I'm trying to do it this way, but I can't really see. So you're gonna place it on your hair like this. I did not apply a lot, so I don't really have to worry about it being hard. It will get hard over time, but mine usually doesn't, so I guess it's okay. So after that, ew, I don't like. After that, you're gonna take a brush and you're gonna brush your hair up. So after brushing your hair up into a ponytail, take a scrunchie. Ouch. And you're gonna put it into a ponytail. And I like to pull this. Ooh. Ripping here. Okay, I like to pull that so I can get a little bit tight or whatever. So just so it's easier for me, we're gonna wrap this around and take another elastic band and tie it around the little tiny bun. Alright, so you should have something like a potato head. And I should be using the mirror, but we're gonna use this. So okay, so the bun did not come out how I wanted it to come out because it wants to be acting a little weird. This is the bun. I didn't even know that was there. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more because more videos will be coming. Hair, makeup, modeling, everything. So stay tuned.